What's going on, y'all? Stanley Parrish here. Welcome back to the show. I hope you're having a creative day today. In today's episode, we're gonna get some behind the scenes footage with photographer John Cox. Gonna let you see him work. He's gonna be doing his thing. We got the Flashpoint Xplor 600. I think I said that right? Okay. Got the Flashpoint Xplor 600. I'm gonna be getting some B-roll. We're waiting on the model to show up right now. Miss Cortne is her name. Cortne Sanders, go check her out. She's an excellent model. I shot with her before. Can't wait to do it again. But look, this ain't about me, man. I'm just here to film some behind the scenes footage for y'all. Y'all about to watch John Cox do his thing behind the camera. He got the Nikon 750 D750, just like I got. So yeah, let's go.
What's up, people? This is John Cox from Capture the Gift Photography. We about to get it on with my girl Courtney Sanders. We got a big treat coming for y'all. I don't want to spoil it, but you'll see who she gonna be a little bit later. Here with Pixel Flow, Stanley Parrish. Thank him for coming out with the video. Get ready for a special treat. We're gonna do it big, y'all.
So tell us a little bit about the setup right now, what you're working with.
We got the D750. We're shooting at a high aperture, so a little bit slower shutter. Try to get as much detail as we can. Got a Flashpoint set up over there. Poison Ivy doing her thing. You're gonna try to make it look like you're sitting on the leaf.
Yeah, I heard some over there, so
Probably a flash.
I'm trying to make sure ain't no snakes or nothing.